Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the animated Bible stories using the AI, and this is for free and super easy how to do that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is you need to prepare the scene first, or the chronology of the story, and of course following the Bible. And for example, I use the story of Jesus when he feeds 5,000 people with 5 loaves and 2 fishes. And if you need the help from the AI, then you can use this AI, for example, the ChatGPT. And of course, you can do the proofread before you would like to generate it into the AI. And of course, after you do the proofread, then you can go to the AI. And here I'm using the AI Story Maker from the CapCut. And by this AI Story Maker, you don't need to put the word such as the part 5, the abundance. You don't need to, you just need to type the abundance and give the space, and after that you can fill the detail of this abundance scenes. And after that you can go to this AI Story Maker and you can click try it. And don't worry, because for the new user, of if you don't purchase their package, they will give you 3 chances or 3 opportunities to create the story. Here I will click the try it, and after that you can click continue or start fresh. The start fresh, it means that you would like to create a brand new story and with the new prompt or the new chronology of the story. And if you'd like to continue, you can just click it. For example, the continue will show you the previous chronology of the story, just like this. There are no word that I mentioned before. Part 2 or part 1 is about this. Part 3 is about this. You don't need to, you just need give this the title in every single scene, and after that you can click done. And after that you can choose the visual style. Since it's about the biblical story, then I will choose the biblical right here, and so the look will be like this. And after that I will choose the voiceover to become auto. It is okay, and the aspect ratio is 9:16. And after that you can click generate over here, and you can wait until maybe 5 minutes to generate, because it depends on the complexity of the story. And if you would like to do another activity while waiting for the generation process, then you can minimize it, and you can visit this history, and this is the story that has been generated. I'll show you the result, guys.
Jesus feeds 5,000 people with 5 loaves and 2 fishes. The crowd gathers. A great crowd of people followed Jesus to a hillside near the Sea of Galilee.
Let me skip it a little bit.
Though the food seemed far too little for thousands, he offered it to Jesus. The blessing and multiplication. Jesus asked the people to sit in groups on the grass.
And after that,
The abundance. When all had eaten and were satisfied, the disciples gathered the leftovers. Amazingly, 12 baskets were filled with pieces of bread and fish.
so that's all about this story. And if you would like to use this AI, then you can use it from the CapCut. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. So this is the video, and if you would like to give the comment or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button if you like this video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.